All right, I put the title buy Bitcoin right now.
Or maybe not. Maybe
or maybe not, right?
Yeah. Ethereum is cheaper.
What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here, broadcasting live from Hong Kong. And today we are here with our special guest, CYRW. He's going to talk about Bitcoin. Welcome to the show.
Hi. Yeah, hi, everyone. It's a historic day. This is the first time Bitcoin has broken 60, hitting 60.5 just, well, 10, 20 minutes ago, isn't it, now? So,
and now I just saw that it's being traded at $59,971 at the moment. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's going to hover around this 59.60 mark. I'm guessing most people have set their take profit at 60 because that's a nice round number. So yes, that's what it seems to be hitting. But we'll see. Who knows what? Because of the stimulus. And Michael Saylor keeps buying. He doesn't stop buying.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, so I think he bought some recently at 57. I assume he's buying now as well. I don't know. I'm guessing. It's mainly the stimulus people, I think.
Oh, cool. We have already some viewers on the chat room, and Young Caesar saying, okay, so Young Caesar is saying that it's already, it has already reached the highest, like historic high.
Yes.
And how come we are telling people to buy?
Well, I'm not buying, but if it drops quite a bit, then I'll buy, obviously. But now we know, I think this is where it should have been about a month ago. But F2 Pool, the Mongolian miners, they were selling heaps, tens of thousands of Bitcoin, but now they're just selling, the odd 100. So, which is normal for a big mining pool. So, so now that the selling by miners has gone back to normal, then the markets can resume the normal pattern, which I think is, a gradual rise. So so he could get 62, 63, 64 in the next week. That's my guess anyway. But
but you said that a lot of people are selling, right? Because I remember you mentioned to me a few seconds ago that a lot of people were planning to sell it at 60, and now it has finally reached 60, yes. And a lot of people closed their positions. So that could also drive Bitcoin to make a correction, right?
Yes, it could do. Of course, I'm sure people will take profit. But now the United States is waking up, so we'll see. But maybe a lot of people will be holding, thinking it'll go even higher, because they've got the stimulus checks in the States, so they don't need the money. So maybe they're going to just hold and wait till it goes higher before they sell. Maybe 70 is the next real big barrier, I think. But it's all a guess, isn't it? We'll find out what the sentiment, because now, even though the technicals say maybe we go to 60, well, it already hit 60. So what do we do now?
I can see this channel. This is a kind of channel forming here.
Yeah, the channel. So so hopefully this is what it's supposed to do without any, big sell-offs. So it should just gradually rise, maybe roughly at this angle, maybe slightly less.
I can also see some kind of correction going on, right? So
definitely
maybe from here it will bounce back to this certain price here around this area to then go up again, right?
Yeah, I think it'll go down to 56 and then maybe up again to 61, 62. So it'll travel in this channel. if there's no big event or news or something strange happening. So, but with crypto, you can never tell.
Yeah, I
can
think
happen.
the technical analysis don't work very well
No.
with crypto, right?
Yeah,
I was
don't
never
know
successful
any
in
technical.
crypto.
I don't know any technical traders who made a lot of money on crypto, other than
Right?
their holding. I think 99% of technical traders, the profits from crypto comes from them holding.
I think so
Not
too.
from trading, because there's no real. I mean, you get some kind of sentiment, but you can never judge when it's going to do the breakout.
Do you think it's possible to day trade crypto, especially Bitcoin? Is it possible to day trade
bull
Bitcoin?
market, you can always do swing, because if you mess up, you just wait for it to go up higher. This is basically what I've been doing. So basically, I'm the world's worst trader. I've made losses 7 years in a row until October. So the only reason I'm making profit is because when I mess up, Bitcoin or Ethereum or my other altcoins, they just go up higher. So,
so
even
you
an
don't
idiot trader like
don't
me
you set
can make
a stop
money.
loss? So you never set a stop loss if the trade
No,
goes
I don't care.
You just
this
wait.
is like this is gambling money for me. I don't care.
Right.
So, but yeah, I mean, yeah, if you want, you can set a stop loss, but I don't think it helps, unless, of course, you're only doing it, a little bit. If you're in for the long term, it doesn't matter, because long term, I suspect crypto will just keep going up, and that's what's happened with Bitcoin and Ethereum for the last, well, Bitcoin since it was created and Ethereum since it was created. Statistically, it goes up. I mean, even if you bought at 20K in 2018 or 2017, yes, Bitcoin at 20K, okay, all you have to do is wait 3 years, and then now we're at 60. So you tripled your money, okay, even though you bought at the worst time possible. So now if you buy at 60 and then it drops to say 30, it may go back up to 100 in 3 years' time, or 200 or 300 in 3 years' time.
Okay, so let's say if you bought here in 2017, the price was almost 20K.
Yeah,
so
I know.
If it went against you, even though, okay. So
and I did as well.
Would you hold? Okay, so did you hold this even when it was the lowest price here? It was about 3,200. When it was 3,200,
yeah,
we're still holding it.
Yeah, basically, I held all the way through.
Wow.
Well, that's basically what you have to do if you believe in the fundamentals. With Ethereum, however, I did buy at the high and then sell at the low, which is not the right way. So with Ethereum, I messed up, but I didn't sell all of it. So luckily so now I've broken even. Now I'm making a lot of money, so it's okay.
Because I have a few friends who bought Ripple at $3.
Oh,
and it never so it never went back up again. So
you have to buy the right coins, obviously. Ripple, I don't think they'll ever go up, because it's centralized and the guys in charge, they can print more of it. So
I have some friends who bought at $3, like just here. And you see, it never went back up again. So like now the price is like 45 cents. So and I have a few friends who are still holding it, because they
they hold for 10 years, I think they get their money back.
Oh no.
Well, it's not too bad. I mean, but okay, maybe not 10 years, maybe 5 years. I'd give them 5 years. But Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two big ones, so they're the ones that people should have believed in. Everything else is a gamble, I think.
I see.
But I have, I mean, I do like Cardano and Polkadot, because I think they are worthy competitors, but obviously still a lot riskier than either Bitcoin or Ethereum.
Cardano?
ADA.
Okay, ADA. All right.
Yeah, because they were made by the one of the co-founders. Ada and Polkadot are both made by co-founders of Ethereum.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay, yeah. So that they have a good pedigree, and they can be used for the same thing as Ethereum.
So do you think ADA,
Same
the
with
market
Binance.
for ADA is very promising?
Well, both Ada, Binance Coin, and Polkadot, all three can now run smart contracts, but Binance is centralized, so I don't see that going up too much because it's centralized. So you're completely at the mercy of, like, it's like Ripple. The centralization, leaves you're vulnerable to whatever.
ADA is decentralized?
Yes.
All right.
So is Polkadot.
Oh.
Yeah, just like Ethereum.
Polkadot?
Yeah.
Okay.
DOT.
Oh.
DOT, just DOT, dot.
Oh, Polkadot. Okay.
Yeah, Polkadot.
Oh, yeah, dot. Okay, I've seen this before. Yes.
Yeah, they're in the top coins. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, then you'll see the top coins. And if you exclude Tether and Ripple, they're all coin market cap, not cap.
Okay.
Coin market cap. Coin market cap.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've seen this.
Bitcoin is number one. Ethereum is now number two. Binance Coin, because it can run smart contracts. It's up crazy amounts as well. So Tether you ignore because it's just
it's just for transactions, right?
Yeah. Number 6 is Polkadot, and Ripple is dropped to number 7. Uniswap may have a lot of potential as well because being
Binance Coin is because of Binance, right? It's the one made by Binance, the broker, right?
Yeah, but Binance is made by a broker, but so it's centralized. So that's its disadvantage. But it's now worth more than either Cardano or Polkadot because it runs faster. Because it's centralized, they can basically cut out a lot of the decentralized things which make it slower.
Oh, okay, makes sense. Right.
Yeah, but it's a price you pay, and the price is that it's run by one guy, really, isn't it? So if that goes or he goes, then then the whole thing disappears.
Which one are you talking about?
Binance. It's a company.
Binance. Okay.
Binance,
but Binance is run by a Chinese guy, right? In China, right?
Yeah, well, he's Canadian, but he's Chinese.
Oh, right. But the company is registered in Hong Kong.
I don't know. Maybe it is. Most of the crypto companies are registered in Hong Kong because they don't have to pay tax. But I'm not sure where Binance is headquartered. They got many headquarters actually.
Right.
Because I think they split themselves up into different companies. But I think they're based in. Well, they have a US version. Oh, they're in Malta. Okay.
Malta is famous for casino, like gambling.
Yeah. It's another tax haven. Tax haven.
Yes, it's a tax haven.
Yeah, I'm guessing. But anyway, so if something strange happens to Binance, then obviously your coins disappear in smoke. Or if Binance decides to print more. But they're saying they're not going to print more. They're actually going to burn them. So that's what I heard. Yes. Yeah. So that's why. So if you trust Binance, and it is the biggest exchange at the moment,
yes,
then I guess in short term, it may be a good buy. But I think long term, decentralized projects are always going to be centralized ones. Right. Eventually, if they're properly decentralized, I think they have that big advantage that they don't really go down. And they become more bulletproof with time. Usually.
How about Uniswap?
Yeah, I mean that's the biggest DeFi exchange, isn't it, at the moment? I think.
Oh, I see.
So yeah, I mean it's gone up massively. It's now what, $29, nearly $30. You
So
know?
this is also like Binance, is an exchange and also a cryptocurrency.
Yeah, it's yeah. I mean, it's a decentralized finance token. Yes.
All right, right.
So it's an automated market maker. So it tries to find you the best price.
Okay.
You know.
I understand. Yes.
Yeah. So all these new DeFi projects will basically replace the existing banking system. So and I think if you look at, I can't remember, I think it's assetdash.com. I don't know. There's one website which tells you decentralized. Let me search. Oh, I can't remember which one the name is. It.
What's the name again?
I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, it is assetdash.com. Okay, go to assetdash, ASSETDASH.com.
Asset Dash?
Yes, Asset Dash. Okay, and then go top leaderboards.
Top leaderboards, yes.
And then KEX versus DEX. So centralized exchanges versus decentralized exchanges. Okay.
Oh, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Group. Yeah, this is top one. Yes.
Okay, but look at what's number 6. And Uniswap hasn't been around for very long.
Oh, yeah, Uniswap. Oh my God.
And it's just overtaken Singapore.
Oh, no. Wow, yeah.
Singapore has been around for a long time. The Singapore Exchange, you know, and maybe at the end of the year it'll be bigger than NASDAQ.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's just below NASDAQ. Wow.
Yeah, and this is in a very short space of time. This is why people just don't get how big crypto is.
Hong Kong is number 2. I didn't know Hong Kong was number 2.
Well, Chinese money. Remember, China,
right.
You know, Alibaba, etc.
Right.
Yeah, but I didn't know Hong Kong was number 2 either. I knew it was big, but I didn't know it was like pretty much neck and neck with CME.
Wow.
So yeah, and I didn't realize the ICE was bigger than London Stock Exchange Group, but there you go.
Oh, SushiSwap is number 10. Wow.
Yeah, I know. SushiSwap is just a clone, Aave. You know, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap. I think they're just clones of.
They're just clones, right?
Of Uniswap.
Wow, so a clone of Uniswap is already number 10. Wow.
Yeah.
TMX Group. This one I don't know. TMX Group.
TMX. Yeah, I'm not really. Who are they? TMX Group. They've probably got a more common name. Let me see who they are. Oh, they're the Canadian. Toronto. Okay.
Oh, Toronto. All right.
Okay,
oh,
that's what we call.
Okay.
Okay, it's the Toronto Stock Exchange. That's
all right. Then then that one I know.
Yeah, obviously. Okay. Yeah. But look, all these decentralized exchanges take the next, they're all worth billions of dollars now.
Oh my God.
But maybe not 1inch or Curve or Venus, but they're growing really fast, and this is just in the last 3 years.
Yeah.
And most of the growth has been in the last 1 year. So
the Nikkei is not even listed here. The Nikkei Stock Exchange.
Yeah, well, it's a third-party website, so I guess that they might not have the info for Nikkei.
Oh,
okay. So you probably have to stock exchange.
Right.
Market cap. I don't know what. Well, I think it's the Japan Exchange Group. Okay, maybe.
Japan Exchange Group.
Market cap.
Yeah. What is Warren Buffett?
It's got a 1.3.
Warren Buffett's portfolio. Oh my God, cool.
Is that correct? Oh, it's 1.36 trillion yen. But I don't know what that is in US dollars. So you have to do the conversion.
Right. Need to cut 2 zeros there.
Yeah, so that's
to have a rough idea.
Okay. 2 0. Okay, so then that's about is it 100? Oh, I can't do the maths. A trillion is 1,000. There are too many zeros. 1,000, so it's 100 billion. So to 10 billion, is it 10 billion? So
wow.
So yeah, so that's, so they'll put it below Uniswap.
Oh, it's below Uniswap. Oh my god.
But above Singapore exchange.
Whoa.
The Japan, yeah. Stock
wow,
exchange.
Impressive. Uniswap is
Uniswap
impressive.
bigger than Japan.
So are you holding any Uniswap?
I wish I did. Because when I looked at DeFi, I thought this is promising, but all of these projects are so young. How can they be? And some of them have been hacked. But
so it's dangerous to invest.
Yeah,
right?
so it's dangerous.
But Binance has been hacked before, right? Binance.
Yeah, but he paid. I think nobody lost any funds. I think he managed to pay out. Didn't he?
Cool. I didn't know that.
I think so. Binance hacked, but they get hacked about every year, don't they? But he pays out, but right. no one. I don't think anyone had lost out.
Oh.
Well, or if they have, I think he can easily afford to pay them because he's making so much money.
Hey, so when you put money in crypto, you're not scared that your exchanges will eventually be hacked? You don't.
Yeah,
you're not afraid of that.
I try not to keep money on exchanges. My advice is not to. But if you're trading, you got no choice because the fees are so high.
Right.
Unless you're super rich.
Do you own,
you can afford the transaction fees.
Do you own any physical wallet? No. Physical, like a Bitcoin wallet, crypto wallet?
I'm not going to tell you. That's private.
Oh, okay.
But as a general recommendation, it's a good idea to have a physical wallet instead of a mobile or a paper wallet. Paper.
Yeah.
I mean.
Oh yeah, but you were right. You better not tell me because we are in public now, right? So everybody can watch us. And secondly, because there are some crimes in Hong Kong that people were actually kidnapped, right? So it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. There was I remember a few months ago, right? There was a banker who was kidnapped, and he got like millions of dollars in Bitcoin stolen.
Wow. We had 2 robberies this year. Yeah, that's true. Well, 2 scams. They were going to meet somebody that met maybe on some chat group or P2P network.
Yeah, to make a offline transaction of crypto, right?
Yeah, and they did the transaction, but immediately afterwards, the person with the Hong Kong dollars gets robbed. So obviously it's a setup. Probably not a good idea. You may as well just go to a reputable exchange. I mean, there's Genesis Block or FTX, I think in Hong Kong,
right? Yes,
or CoinMama or somewhere, and then get them to put it into your Hong Kong bank account. Right. Obviously, they charge you for it.
Oh yeah,
but it's better than getting robbed. So. But anyway, unfortunately, obviously I sold most of my crypto at the wrong price last year. Otherwise, I could be much richer, and I wouldn't be bothering talking to you.
Do you regret? Okay, do you regret?
Obviously, I regret selling. Obviously, yeah. Oh gosh.
But why did you sell it? Why did you sell it?
Because I thought, hey, this is the new high. I didn't think it would ever go back to 20. I thought 20 was the high and that was it.
Me too. I sold some at 23 because I thought 23 was really high, and I thought, okay, this is the top. So I sold some. Not all though, just a small portion. Yeah.
Oh, I sold most.
So, oh no. You sold most? Oh my god.
I know. So never mind. So, but but I bought myself an 85-inch TV. I got a new laptop. I upgraded my main desktop computer.
Well, okay, that's good.
I've been to many nice restaurants for
That's good. Nice restaurants are good. Yes, nice
desserts
steaks.
and nice food. So yeah, the profits are in my stomach mainly.
That's good. That's good.
Lobster. Yeah.
Oh, lobster is good. Yes.
Yeah. Oysters and
oysters. Yes.
Yeah, I know. And lots of pizza.
Foie gras.
Well, I'm not so keen on foie gras.
But pizza is good.
Actually, yeah, I think my next meal might be, something nice, I'm sure, because Bitcoin is at a high. So, yeah, obviously I'm going to, might be lobster again, I think, this time.
Some of my viewers are asking me, so since the price of Bitcoin is so high right now, what would be any other alternatives for them to buy, like buy and hold?
Ethereum.
Ethereum.
I'm buying Ethereum now. That's what I'm buying.
But don't you think, Cyril, don't you think the Ethereum is really high as well? Because
but if you look at it, Bitcoin is when Bitcoin hit 20K, Ethereum hit 1400, and now Bitcoin is 60, and Ethereum is what, 1900?
It's about 1900. Yes.
So the percentage increase is way less. So I think Ethereum will go to 3,000, maybe. Well, we don't know. At least 2005 anyway.
A lot of people are saying
Bitcoin is going to go. Yes. But maybe Bitcoin will go higher. I just don't know, because I mean, at the moment, it looks like Bitcoin has been the better buy. But if you bought last year, Ethereum has done better. You see, so because I sold quite a lot of Ethereum last year as well.
A lot of people are saying that Ethereum has more potential than Bitcoin, actually, because Bitcoin is already very high.
Yeah. A, because Bitcoin is very high. B, because Bitcoin is about storing money. And there's like $100 trillion worth of money and stuff, physical objects on the planet. But there's almost 12 times that in derivatives. So derivatives, smart contracts, if they're all replaced by Ethereum, then Ethereum will go bigger than Bitcoin.
Some people are even saying that it may bypass Bitcoin's price at some point.
Yes,
it'll become more expensive, right?
Because it's 12 to 1. The derivatives to physical stuff, store of value. Because most of the money in the world is held in derivatives, 12 times as much, nearly.
Let me ask you a question about GPUs. So I saw a post of yours. You mentioned that you think it's meaningless to have GPUs that don't have like a display output.
Yeah, because you can't sell them. You can't, after the mining craze is done, because no one knows when Ethereum is they're going to move to proof of stake.
But then I want to ask you, what's the point of having like something that you can just mine? Like you can even use it as a GPU. So it's not really a GPU then. Why do people call it GPU?
Yeah, because it can't output graphics.
Yeah. So it's not a GPU then.
Well, there is a hack, but the average person's not going to do it, and it's also means you have to have a laptop with a a connector that can and you've got to have an external GPU enclosure. So there's all that hassle. So basically, the only reason the companies are doing it is for profit, because they don't make any money when you sell your GPU once you're done with it onto the secondhand market.
Right.
So if there's less on the secondhand market, that means they can charge higher prices for their next GPU.
Right.
So all that happens is that more of those mining cards, they become e-waste. So that's very environmentally damaging.
So what companies are doing that? Is it like NVIDIA is doing that? AMD is doing that? What kind
NVIDIA has already launched their cards, and AMD said they will. I've heard on the press.
Wow.
Sadly, yeah, both companies are naughty, very naughty.
Oh my
naughty.
God.
But it's profit, and unfortunately there's no laws against it. So, but there should be. I mean, obviously, when I'm ruler of the world, then I'll change this.
But by getting rid of the external the video output, by getting rid of the HDMI, the whatever
DVI,
right?
or DisplayPort. Yeah.
Can they cut a lot of costs or not?
Oh, it's like 5 cents or 10 cents. So,
yeah, it doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah, well, it makes sense for them, as I said, because it means that they reduce the number of cards on the second-hand market.
Oh, from that perspective. Okay, from that perspective, yes, it makes sense. Yes.
Yeah, so sadly, it makes a financial sense for AMD and NVIDIA to do it. But environmentally, it's very bad.
It creates a lot of waste. Yes.
Yeah, because not much of that GPU is going to get recycled. I mean, the 3 R's are reduce, recycle, reduce, reuse, and then recycle. So the second one is reuse, which is more important and more cost effective than recycle. So if you can reuse something, then that saves resources and the environment more than recycling does.
And I assume that Ethereum is like Bitcoin in a sense that for every few months they have the algorithm, the halving.
Halving,
it becomes right, so it becomes slower. So at some point, those GPUs will not be able to mine as much as they can mine now, right?
Of course,
so, yeah. So when that happens,
I mean, even in July, EIP 1559,
right? Yes,
is probably going to go through, and that will cut it in half, maybe already.
Wow.
This July. Wow. So yeah, but because the profitability is already super high, then even if you cut it in half, it's still pretty profitable. No. I think the profits are higher for Ethereum now than for Bitcoin because of, as you've seen, the DeFi exchanges.
Yes.
The volume on those exchanges is so high, and most of the people are using Ethereum rather than Binance Smart Contracts or ADA or Cardano Polkadot.
No,
so,
I see.
So the transaction fees and the transaction volumes on Ethereum are massive. So Ethereum miners are making good profits, but you don't know how long this DeFi craze is going to go for. And when Ethereum moves to proof of stake, then obviously you can't mine anymore. You can't mine Ethereum. So you have to mine something else, which is probably not going to be as profitable.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So the amount of Ethereum is also limited, right? Just like Bitcoin, right? So there's a certain...
Not at the moment, but EIP 1559 in July will make it like it. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
At the moment, it's inflationary. I think about 5%. But the proposed proposal for July, EIP 1559, they're going to burn some of the coins. So every time you do a transaction,
wow.
so they're effectively going to make it deflationary. Well, there's a chance of burning. I can't remember the exact technicals, but yeah. But the idea is to make Ethereum deflationary instead of inflationary, just like Bitcoin. But in theory, that will put the price up. So even though your profitability will halve as a miner, the actual value of Ethereum should go up. So you don't lose quite as much as 50%.
Oh, I understand. So even though you'll be able to mine less, but then since the price of Ethereum itself will rise, then you'll be okay.
As much. Well, it depends on what your costs are. So, and also eventually, Ethereum will move to proof of stake. So they won't need as many they'll need hardly any miners. So So you'll have to run a node instead and stake. So you won't need as much computing power.
Wow. Well, thanks so much for joining our live event today.
Yeah.
You know, I was looking at the live that we did last week. We got a lot of views and a lot of comments. I also got a lot of comments on Instagram about it. So yeah,
cool.
So thank you so much.
Okay.
And guys who are watching us live now on YouTube, please also subscribe to CYRW's channel. I'm going to leave the link to his channel here on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching us today. And yeah, hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye.